Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with PracticePanther for streamlined operations step by step clearly. Start by visiting the PracticePanther website. Locate the Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. Choose a strong password that you will remember. After entering your details, click on Create Account. Check your email for a verification link from PracticePanther. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Log back into your PracticePanther account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various features available. Click on Settings to customize your profile. Add your firm's information in the Profile section. Next, integrate your email by going to the Integrations tab. Choose your email provider and follow the prompts to connect it. After setting up your email, go to the Clients section. Click on Add New Client to start building your client database. Fill in all relevant client details for accurate records. Then, proceed to set up your matter management by selecting Matters. Click on Create New Matter and fill in the necessary information. Continue by customizing your workflow under the Workflows section. Establish task lists that suit your firm's operations. Now, set up your billing preferences in the Billing tab. Choose your billing methods and autofill settings. Next, integrate your accounting software under the Integrations tab. Select your preferred accounting software and follow the connection prompts. Explore the Reports section to understand your operational analytics. Utilize the templates available for documents and emails. Ensure all team members have access by navigating to the Users section. Invite team members by entering their email addresses and assigning roles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.